Let's get started. Today we are doing a mini lesson on point-slope form of a linear function. You may ask, what is point-slope form? Recall from algebra, or not, y minus y naught equals m x minus x naught. Depending who you talk to, or what book you read, you may also see it written as y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. I've also seen it written like this, y2 minus y1 equals m x2 minus x1, which is essentially the definition of slope. So make sure you can spot either of them. First off, why do we call it point-slope form? Well, because it contains a point and the slope. Recall, m represents the slope, which is a measure of the steepness of the line. The x naught and y naught are the coordinates of a point on the line. Keep in mind, you could use any point for x naught, y naught, as long as it's on the line. You will see here in a minute. Now, when would you want to use point-slope form? I recommend using it if you are given the slope and a point on the line. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we are given a point 2, 11, and its slope 3. Write your point-slope form equation, then substitute for m and x naught and y naught, and you're done. But that was too quick, so your teacher will say, okay, now convert it to slope-intercept form. Sure thing. That's a two-stepper. First step, distribute the slope 3. Second step, add the y-coordinate 11. And there you go. Now remember I mentioned you could use any point for x naught, y naught, as long as it's on the line. So let me repeat the process, but this time using a different point. -1, 2. Again, write your point-slope form equation, then substitute for m and x naught and y naught. And you're done. But wait. The teacher says to change it to slope-intercept form. Okay, no problem. 2 steps again. Distribute the m and add the y naught. Oh, well, look at that. Huh. Isn't that the same equation we got when we used the first point? Strange. Let's take a look at another example. This time, they give you 2 points, -4, 3, and 11, -2. I will call them x1, y1, and x2, y2. Write an equation for the line between these 2 points in point-slope form. First, let's find the slope m. I will use this form of the point-slope form, y2 minus y1 equals m x2 minus x1. Substituting the points and solving for m gives -1 over 3. Now we can write the equation in point-slope form. If I use the first point, we get y minus 3 equals -1/3 x minus -4. If you wish to use the second point, you'll get y minus -2 equals -1/3 x minus 11. Either one works. Since there are infinitely many points on the line, you could generate infinitely many equations of that line in point-slope form. Let me know your thoughts and share with your fellow classmates who are lost in algebra. Give us a thumbs up if you found it useful and to motivate us to produce more videos. See you next time.